What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be using several colors that I had already pre-mixed. We have a yellow, we have a cadmium red, we have a deeper magenta, like a darker magenta, and then a phthalo blue. All these colors are mixed, 2 parts silicone, or 2 parts pouring medium, to 1 part paint. I'm using this little tower thing here that I 3D printed, and today we're going to try to paint a flower. So, how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Here, let's try something different here. Let's red. Ooh, look at those lines. I like that. So I'm going to try to keep the layers thin so that we have a nice radiating of lines going out. Let me do red now. I'm trying to keep the yellow and the blue away from each other. I really don't want green in here, if we can help it. So, yeah, the lines in this thing so far, they're really cool looking. It's almost like several straight pours. I'm liking it. Oh man, I just did yellow and blue. Dang it. Well, that's okay. I probably should have used a white. If I would have had a white in here to help, like, with a pop of that vibrant white, I think that would have really helped. All right, and I'm gonna do red again so that I can do yellow and then magenta. It is making some really cool looking lines. Then a yellow. We're going to do another magenta. And then we can do blue. Yeah, this is coming out awesome so far. Can't wait to see what it looks like stretched. All right, yeah, we could use yellow again. I like those little pops of yellow in there. Looks really awesome. And then a red. Another yellow. I'm liking this yellow because since I don't have the white already mixed, didn't really think about it. I was in too much of a rush. I wanted to use this cup like now, so I wanted to get this thing going. Didn't even think about the white. But now I know. I really love how it just drips out of the bottom of the cup like that. That is cool. It's almost like it's painting for you, which I feel is super cool. Let's get a nice sharp red looking color, hopefully. We got this blue, and as we're getting closer to the middle, I want to do thinner and thinner layers so that it's less of a huge giant stripe of color. Yeah, this cup's pretty cool. I do like the looks that we're achieving so far. I feel like it will kind of have a petal look to it, which is exactly what we were hoping for. thinner and thinner layers. Now I'm going to put yellow and blue together again. I don't think they're mixing so much that they're creating a ton of green, but then again, we'll know when we go to stretch this if I was mistaken. We have some green hues in it right now, but we'll see. All right. Let's get a nice stark yellow. Can we get a nice bright yellow there? It's still churning between the other colors, so. There we go. We're starting to get a little bit of a brighter yellow coming out. And then a red to force that yellow down. Then we'll finish off with a very small amount of the magenta. All right, let me let this cup finish its little dripping. Don't want to grab it yet. One more drip, there it goes. And I'll take this and put it to the side for now because I don't have my cup of water. That looks so nifty. I love that. I'm gonna take a dotting tool and just draw into the center. Let me get a paper towel. Kind of disrupt the lines in a different way. Yeah, this is a really interesting look for sure. Let's see what else. Maybe we'll fix this center portion a little bit so that it has more of a cohesive look to the rest. Get all these lines looking different. I'll put my dotting tool in a little bit of that paint there. I want some yellow in the center here. Definitely want a little bit of contrast going on in there. There we go. All right. And I think we're ready to spin it out. Now I'm gonna take whatever remaining paint I have and kind of go around the outside edges to stop these colors from having to roll under so much. I do want it to have the ability to even stretch, and I feel like this is a good way to accomplish that just because we already used quite a bit of the paint to get the pattern. Now a lot of this paint you're not even going to see, so I'm totally fine swiping through it just to spread it. All right. One last check, make sure everything's in the middle. It looks like it is. Right there. All right, and then we're gonna spin it out. That does look very flower-like. There's one corner being stingy over here. Hasn't quite made it to the corner yet. Ooh, oof, that's pretty. That's really pretty. And all that yellow in the center is actually coming through. I do have that red that I swiped on that corner. I want to get rid of that. So I don't want to have a whole ton of extra paint left on the canvas. We don't want any cracking, no crazing. I think that red is gone now. Oh yeah, that's nice. Wow. That's really cool. And we did get some green. It is on those layers where I noticed I was mixing the yellow and the blue on top of each other. Just a little bit of green, but I don't hate it. It doesn't look bad. But yeah, let me get you guys down here. We'll check this thing out. It looks super cool to me. I really love the way that these colors kind of all created these really cool lines, and then the embellishment with the dotting tool at the end really kind of helped. I think it added a little bit more interest to it. Can't wait to see what it looks like dry.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.